And one of the reasons for this is that we perpetually sin. We perpetually sin, and the heart becomes clouded. It becomes darkened. The Prophet ﷺ said that a person commits a sin and Allah puts a black dot on his heart. But because his heart is generally clean, he realizes, I've committed a sin, I need to do tawbah. So he does tawbah and Allah cleans his heart. But then the Messenger of Allah said that this person commits a sin, but he doesn't really care. Then he commits another sin, and he commits another sin, until his heart is totally and utterly blackened. His heart becomes dark, there's no light. See, the Messenger of Allah said, the sign of a believer is that when Allah wants to open his chest, Allah puts what? A noor in his heart. And that light illuminates the heart. Where conversely, the person sins, and he commits another sin, and he commits another sin, until he commits so many sins that the heart is so blackened, the heart is so dark, it can see no good. To the degree that he sins and he no longer regards it as sin. See where it starts off? It starts off when the first time he commits a sin, he realizes sin, he does tawbah.